Good morning, guys. I'm doing another live today. I wanted to just do a quick unboxing because I just opened up my dōTERRA box. It's kind of just been sitting here beside me unopened, even though I need to open it, because there were so many amazing goodies from the US warehouse this month that I purchased. And I know I purchased from both warehouses, Canadian and US. So I need to find my Canadian box that came in as well too to unbox that. So the first thing, dōTERRA, the US warehouse still has a promo going on where if you place an order over 200 PV, you get this sun care line for free. So it's basically the after sun spray and then also the sunscreen. The sunscreen I've already taken out of the box because I opened up this box because my son needed sun care and skincare for his daycare. So that's kind of where that has already been offloaded. So I need to order another one for us to kind of keep at home. But that's where if your order is over 200 PV this month from the US warehouse, so if you're a Canadian or an American or anywhere in the world and you want to order, if you're traveling or if you have someone coming to visit you, ask them to order from the US warehouse. And if it's over 200 PV, you get both this spray, so the after sun spray, amazing, super clean, restorative body spray, aloe, HA, CPTG essential oils, really nice and cooling afterwards, as well as the sunscreen itself. So this is where it's perfect. So this is one after the kids kind of come out of the pool and I think we're back live again. So yeah, the next thing that I got was the car clip diffuser. So I really should be getting a tripod to put my phone on instead of trying to do this single-handedly, but it is what it is. But basically, it looks like this. Car clip diffuser. This is a great one where what I've typically done in the past and what I always recommend is, like, if you don't have like any of these fancy gadgets and stuff, just grab a cotton ball, put a couple of drops of the essential oil on the cotton ball, stick the cotton ball on your vent. If you have your AC going, if you have your heater going, it's perfect for that, where basically what you're going to do is you're going to get the aroma. So for example, if you're going on a long drive, the driver's kind of getting a little tired or you're just kind of getting a little low on energy, adding a couple of drops of peppermint or wild orange onto a cotton ball or onto one of the car diffusers. This is a great way to be able to get that boost of energy while you're driving and stuff. So I love this. So this is a great way for toxin-free living. So if you are using some of the air fresheners or the car fresheners that are there, like the little tree ones that hang up and stuff, note that they are not good for your health. So this is a great way to substitute. And again, if you don't have this, grab a cotton ball, grab your essential oils and add a couple drops onto it. The next thing that is a staple in all of my monthly orders, usually I get like a couple boxes of these because there's only 30 in these, and with 4 kids, they will take 2 a day if I let them, but you need to have a couple of these to stock up. So this is where these are a must. I take the capsules. These are great as well too. I would love these, but I'm just saving these for the kids because they love like the strawberry powder that comes in, and these are the new strawberry flavor melon ones. dōTERRA has reformulated their probiotics, so it is now 7 billion AFU live cells and super amazing. It has your prebiotics as well as your probiotics. So I'm just going to share a little screenshot of the side. I don't know how clear that'll be for you, but this is where it's amazing. I notice that as the weather changes, as kids are kind of going out, as they're mingling a lot more, having probiotics and like a multivitamin on their daily basis, for them to be taking on a daily basis, is an absolute must. And I see what a difference it makes in their overall health. And then I got the Terra Shield. So this was, I think this was maybe one of the product of the months, I'm not sure. But this is a great one. Add it into a spray bottle, mist it around your home, your curtains. A great one to kind of make sure that you're keeping the mosquitoes at bay. And this is also a great one where if you dilute it with some coconut oil and apply it onto the kids, like around their ankles usually, maybe their wrists, behind their neck, where like kind of the mosquitoes like to sit and bite. This is a great one to be putting on. Then this was part of their collection that was like a new one that was there. So the little yarrow palms, these are so cute. 5 ml yarrow palms, perfect for gifting. I think these are a part of the Mother's Day collection because I stocked up on these. The revitalizing eye mask, I think these are probably all sold out by now, but I can't wait to try these, and I'm sure my girls are going to be wanting to do facials as well, but they're a little expensive and I don't know if I want to share, so we'll see. The next one is the Shirin Yoku. This is like for forest bathing. So this is one where it is the forest bathing blend. This is one, if you are going out in nature, apply this, use this on yourself. And this is a great one, for example, even if you're not near trees and not near Mother Nature, this is a great one to be having alongside to just kind of get that Mother Nature into you. Then the next one that was there, I think, I honestly need to go back and look at what I actually ordered because I got this Costa Brio. I don't know if this is the enlivening blend. I don't remember if this was a promo or if this was just a new oil that I wanted to try. But I can't wait to actually open it up, where it has guacwood, wild orange, copaiba, petite grain, cedarwood, magnolia, my absolute favorite, Brew Bronco, bergamot mint, distilled lemon, balsam, pink pepper, tonka bean. Oh my God, I can't wait to open this up and see what this is going to be like. And this is where, let me see if I have my little bubble diffuser somewhere around here, where this is one where I think this would be an amazing one to make as like a perfume for men, as well as just to kind of have diffusing in your home. So if you have any of the doTERRA plugins, like the wall plugins or the bubble diffusers where you open up the bottle and it's like motion sensor based, this would be an amazing one as you have people coming in and out of your house. Summertime, this would be great. Another staple is the doTERRA Vapor Stick. So this is a must-have. This is one especially for my husband and my boys, where this is a great one for the doTERRA Breathe Stick, where it is the best alternative to Vicks Vapor Rub. Do not use petroleum-based products. Please, let's start moving away from toxin-free, or start moving towards toxin-free products. This is a great one where it is like a stick. Rub it across the chest, across the sinuses. Make sure you're avoiding your eyes. This is a great one to do. The next one that I have gotten is the mouthwash. So this one I normally am not a mouthwash person. I just use the On Guard toothpaste, but this one was a necessity. That what I have done was, because I am going through my chemo treatments, one of the things that they recommend is doing a baking soda and a salt rinse to make sure that you're avoiding mouth sores. So one of the things that I love is my doTERRA On Guard toothpaste. I noticed I went through radiation with a breeze with not having any mouth sores, where this was where it was amazing. So I highly recommend finding the right toothpaste. doTERRA also has their peppermint, the supermint toothpaste. However, I am still a diehard fan of their On Guard toothpaste because it has the clove, it has cinnamon. So if you love like clove and cinnamon, this is a toothpaste for you, and I find it is an amazing one. So I stocked up on the on the mouthwash for that, and that's kind of where it's a great one just to kind of rinse out. And this is also a good one for like if you're finding that your kids are getting a little bit more sensitive to cavities on their baby teeth and stuff. This is a great one where you know it's safe enough to be using for your younger children as well too. And with the toothpaste, you're also using only like a pea size amount. So I highly recommend, and it is whitening and mineralizing. So I highly recommend kind of learning what doTERRA has, because it's not just an essential oil company. There is so much more to it than that. They have their Healing Hands Foundation, one of the things that I love about them. But they also have like their skincare line. They have their sun care line. They have mouthwash products. They have laundry detergent. They have dishwasher pods and stuff. So that's kind of where, when you're looking to slowly shift your home to more toxin-free solutions, I highly recommend getting started with doTERRA, where I'm going to share my link. If you go to doTERRA.com, use enroller ID 1254935. That's my ID, where I will basically be guiding you across your journey. I'll be supporting you, providing education, and going through any Q&As that you might have. So if anyone has any questions, feel free to just drop it in the box. And for those of you guys that have joined, I'd love to hear maybe what your favorite products are with doTERRA, or what you've seen in my unboxing that maybe you'd like to try. And if you are a part of my team, or if you'd like to join my team, let me know. I'd be more than happy to maybe send across a sample or two of it, because I know that this is going to be one of my all-time favorites, and I'm really hoping that it becomes a staple in doTERRA's collection and not just like part of their Mother's Day launch. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing for May. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll kind of continue to do these each week and hop on here live to kind of connect with each of you guys. Thanks.